Hey everybody, it's Flatbread Friday, and we're not really doing a pizza today. We're gonna make some pepperoni pizza bites because I found these in my freezer, and I had forgotten that at that international market that I went to a while back, they have the discos for the empanadas, but they're mini. I've never seen them small like this before, so we're gonna experiment, and it's gonna be fun. The first thing I did to make sort of a moistening spread for the inside of our bites, our pizza bites, I took some roasted garlic and a little bit of roasted garlic oil, some salt, some red pepper flake, and some chopped fresh basil, and I mashed it all with a fork into a paste, and we're going to spread that on our pizzas. We're also going to use pepperoni, whoops, at the back, nope, pepperoni, some pizza cheese, and some banana pepper rings and tomatoes, and that's all going inside, and then we're gonna pinch them together and we're gonna bake them, and they're gonna be yummy. Here are our mini discos. I'm gonna make 8, I think. I have enough filling for 8, but before we do that, I don't even own a rolling pin. So I have this nice little vase that I use as a rolling pin. You can use a bottle or just press them down. And we're gonna roll them all out just a little bit. Okay, we're all laid out. And now we're gonna put the first thing, we're gonna put our roasted garlic paste on. All right, we're gonna take a little spoonful, about a teaspoon, and we're gonna put that on, all of these. And then we're gonna spread it around. We wanna keep a little bit of the edge with nothing on it, so you can pinch those edges together. So you want to just sort of keep things in the middle like that. Okay, our roasted garlic paste is on, and we're going to follow that with a little middle mound of cheese. And cheese tends to go all over the place, so you can just tuck it in later. And we're going to cheese all of these. Our cheese layer is on. Next comes the pepperoni. I'm going to use about 3 slices on each one. And again, we want to keep that in the middle. Is this too far away for you? You can't see what I'm doing. And so it looks like that. We're going to do them all. Pepperoni is on. And now we're going to do our banana pepper rings. And I do the banana pepper rings first because we can tuck the tomatoes in the little sides. Oh, there's a stem on that one. Yuck. And we're going to do them all. Okay, vegetables are on. Looking nice. We're going to put another layer of cheese. Then we're going to top them. And then we're going to, I was going to fry them, but I'm going to bake them instead. Okay, cheesed up. And now we're going to top them. I'm going to take a minute to roll out more of these discos so we can put them on top. So I'll be right back. Okay, I've rolled out and placed the tops, and now we're gonna just stretch them out a little bit. There's lots of cheese, but I'll show you what to do with that excess cheese. Press down in the middle, and with your finger or your thumb, just start pinching the edges together all the way around, and stretch to the outside as you go to get that stretched. And when it is par sealed, you can pick it up and pinch around the edges. Pinch real hard. Pinch, 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 pinch. That cheese hanging out of the edge is a problem, so we're just going to pull it off. And there you have it, our pizza bites. So I'm going to finish the rest of these, and then we're going to bake them. Okay, they're all pressed together, and there's 2 ways to make sure that this seal and, sort of decoration, you can press the edges with a fork and give them a forked edge. And that helps seal and makes them look pretty. All at the same time gives them a little bit of fanciness. There's some cheese sticking out. So there's that. And then because I pressed them so hard, I stretched all the edges out and stuff. What I would do, like a pie crust, you just use your thumb and your forefinger and make little crimps and go around the edge, all the way around the edge. So any way you want to do it. And these are, I think it's because of that oil, but that's what the crimping one looks like. So I'm going to decorate them and then we're going to bake them. Okay, all crimped up. I have a beaten egg. We're going to brush these with an egg wash to make them shiny and help seal the edges. And when these are all brushed, we're going to bake them at 375 degrees for probably about 15 minutes. Okay, they're all egg washed, and you know, I had a thought while I was egg washing them. I think what we'll do is sprinkle them with a little Parmesan cheese on top. Okay, our pepperoni pizza bites are going in. Here's what they look like raw. They're gonna look so nice cooked, and they're gonna be so delicious. Our pepperoni pizza bites have come out of the oven. They took 20 minutes, and now we're gonna plate them up. We're gonna serve them with some spaghetti sauce to make them more pizza-y, and we'll show you what the inside looks like. Okay, here you have it. Our pepperoni and vegetable pizza bites served with spaghetti sauce. Beautiful, brown, crispy. You could fry them if you wanted to, but I think they really came out nice this way. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Cheesy and colorful and pepperoni-ish and all kinds of good stuff. And now we're gonna give it a little dip. And that's how we're gonna serve them. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Flatbread Friday. I want to say that these pepperoni pizza bites were a little tedious to make, so if you don't have a lot of time on a Friday, maybe you could just make a regular pizza or a regular flatbread out of them. But I had fun, and I've been told over the years that I like my minutia because I do like to play with things and stuff them and wrap them and roll them and all that. So pepperoni pizza bites, happy Flatbread Friday. We'll see you next week.